At OnFlooring, we know that buying floors online can feel overwhelming. It's a big investment, and getting the details right matters. Between confusing terminology, hidden manufacturer pricing, and a mountain of required accessories, putting a project together is rarely simple. Our website is designed to change that. Every product page is packed with the essentials you actually need: comprehensive warranties, installation guides, and high-res imagery to help you choose with confidence. But the real magic happens the moment you decide to take the next step and click Add to Cart. Let's take a look. Welcome to AccuQuote, a professional-grade shopping tool built by flooring experts who understand exactly how complex these projects can be. Instead of a basic list, think of our cart as a smart, interactive spreadsheet designed to do the heavy lifting for you. The moment you add a floor, the system goes to work. All of your color-matched accessories, from the specific transitions and reducers to the exact stair nosings you need, are already there waiting for you in one unified view. There is no more hunting through endless tabs, searching for part numbers, or jumping back and forth between product pages hoping you found the right match. This eliminates the guesswork and the common mistakes that usually lead to project delays. You have total control right here in the grid. You can adjust any quantity, add or remove specific trims, and watch as the cart updates your requirements in real time. Once you've configured your layout, click Update Cart and continue to check out. Simply enter your state and zip code, and the system instantly calculates the shipping for a final, delivered price. You'll get an accurate bottom-line number in seconds, giving you the confidence to move forward today. No emails, no phone calls, and no hidden fees. Just a transparent total with every discount automatically applied.